Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Garlene. I create motivational, inspirational lifestyle content for other mom bosses just like me. Our vision here at the Diva Shop is to teach mothers how to take back control of their thoughts, to speak life over themselves, and to manifest the life that they truly desire. Our mission is to show mothers how to overcome feeling defeated, lost, and overpowered with self-doubt through journaling, positive thinking, and positive affirmations. 2019 was a transformational year for me. I grew so much mentally. I had to rewire the way my mind was set. In order to do so, it required so much of me to be consistent each and every single day, to show up, to do what was required, to see the change that I wanted in my life. That experience allowed me to launch the Diva Shop, to bring you these techniques and these resources that help me change my mindset. You can manifest the life that you desire. You can live the life that you set for yourself. It requires hard work and dedication. You must first change your mindset in order for you to see the change that you want to see. An advice that I would like to share with other women entrepreneurs is to enjoy and embrace your journey. We all have a story. We all have a different background. Our stories may be similar, but our journeys will all be different. Even though I have my journey, I have my experience, you do as well. So your story may not look identical to mine. However, just embrace your journey and learn as much as you can throughout the process. The main reasons why I chose the Munbyn label printer for my business was because of the simple fact that it was affordable. It fit within my budget. As a small business, we have lots of expenses, and the last thing I wanted to do was go over budget with a fancy label printer. Not only was the Munbyn label printer easy to set up, I use it on a daily basis in my business. Not only are you able to use it as a label printer, you can print stickers as well, which is so much better compared to the other label printers that were much more expensive, but you can only print labels out of them. I can print stickers for my packaging and all sorts of awesome things like labels for my office and all those great things. So I highly recommend you, if you're a small business owner, to really consider getting a Munbyn label printer, because it'll give you multiple uses, and the best part about it, it does not use any ink. It's a thermal label printer, so it uses heat, okay? And that's pretty much it. It's simple as that. And I want to take the time to thank Munbyn for allowing me to share my story and to encourage you as well. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Check out my Manifesting Babe series and all the good stuff that I have on my channel here just for you.